It is Saturday the 12th, I think. 12th? 13th? Doesn't matter. It's Saturday and I leave for South Africa on Monday. So we gotta go get our lashes done. And I'm already running late. So Emma, if you see this YouTube video, I did film even though I was running late. Apologies. But I'll see you all right after my appointment, and then we've got some things to do. Today we are packing. I'm gonna take you guys along, and then tomorrow I will show you everything we gotta do then. And then I leave on Monday, so it's very exciting, and I will see you guys in a bit. It literally looks like I haven't moved because I parked my car in the same spot. But I got my lashes done by Emma. They're beautiful. So pretty. Wait, I don't know how to zoom on this thing, but... Oh my god, wow. It's seriously amazing at what she does. But we gotta go inside and pack now. I'm a little bit stressed because I haven't packed anything. And I leave in like a day. So we're gonna go do that. Let's go inside. Let's go. So I'm taking 2 suitcases. One's like a little one, and then I have like a big one as well. So that's my big one, which is gonna have all my clothes in it, and then I think I'm gonna try to fit my shoes and my makeup and like accessories and stuff in my smaller one. So let's start with clothes. I found my list, so let's go. I think we're gonna start with t-shirts. There's like a giant pile here, but I wrote down that I need 15. I don't think I'll actually need 15 t-shirts, but better safe than sorry. I have some long sleeves, just like casual grey, black one, kind of boring, and then like another grey one, and that's about it for like long sleeves. Like beige. I'm kind of going with like a neutral palette so that when I'm like there, all my clothes kind of match, so I can kind of just wear anything. I'll show you like what my suitcase looks like at the end, because right now I'm just showing you what I'm packing, because this is just in a heap in my suitcase right now, but I gotta make sure it all fits. Got like a long sleeve like business shirt that I got for like $1 at the thrift store, but I feel like I could wear it over like a crop with shorts and it would look pretty cute, especially if I'm on like one of the game drives. I have 2 pairs of jeans. I bought both of them last week because there was a special one, and there's like a grey one and a white one. The white one's gonna get so dirty, but we're just gonna have to deal with that. And skirts, I've got this cute like little ruffly one and like a little longer one, and then shorts we have white, black, and then I have like workout shorts. And then I have like my going out tops. So it's the green one from Glassons, and it's the same one in black from Glassons. They just suit me really well, and I feel like the fit works for my body type. I have this really cute set from Peter Alexander that I got for Easter, and it's so comfy, and it's gonna be really cold when we're like out in the safari areas, and I don't want to freeze to death, so grab these. And then I've just grabbed a few dresses. I don't think I'll be wearing all of them because we're not going out for dinner a lot. It'll mostly be like home cooked meals, etc. But I have like my little tie-up one, and then I have like my really long black one, which kind of just goes with everything. And then, you know, all your simple underwear. I'm bringing 2 pairs of swimmers just in case. I doubt that we'll be swimming because it's winter. Then I've got like my jackets. I have my puffer, and I have like a throw over jacket as well. But that's about it. And then I have to pack all my makeup like as I'm leaving on the Monday morning, because I want to do my makeup before I get on the plane. And then that's about it. So let's see how much I can fit in this bag, and then we'll move on to shoes. Okay, so all my stuff's in here. Look, the jeans just kind of fold over and like squish it down so that this thing can close. Swimmers, everything's in there. These are my dresses and some extra shorts because I couldn't fit them in here. And then my jackets and stuff are all in there too. So shoes will be going in the smaller bag. I'm gonna pack that in a second, and then we should be good to go. It's about 9 p.m. right now, and I'm about to stay at Brianna's because she's taking me to the airport. So I have to say goodbye to my dogs. I'm obsessed with my dog. Like, I have a dog. Mushu, do you want to come say hi, darling? Oh, okay. This is Mushu. Hey, come here. Say hello. Yeah, good enough, yeah? Okay, Mushu. Let's have a very hard conversation because I'm leaving for a month. Oh, Melo's here too. Melo, you're a bit more shy. You're hiding. Anyways, saying bye to them. Oh, I know, I'm gonna miss you too. Don't lick my face. I'm gonna be heading to Brianna's in a minute. And then I'll see you guys in the morning when I'm leaving for the airport. I skipped a little bit of today because it was Mother's Day. Yeah, I'm about to leave, and I will see you guys in the morning when I'm awake and we're leaving for the airport. I have already cried twice, so I'll just see you guys in the morning. Good morning. It's 4:23, and I'm gonna really quickly do some makeup and my hair, and then we're gonna get on the line. So I'll see you in a second. I made it through security, and now I'm good. I gotta go find my gate. I got stopped. I'm literally such an idiot. I got stopped because I had an aerosol can in my bloody carry-on that I forgot about. Because I was supposed to check this bag, and now I'm not checking this bag anymore. I'm taking it with me because she's small. Gates. I'm at gate 32, so I'm going this way. Ignoring the large amount of people here. Bloody shops everywhere. I have no need to purchase anything. Though if there is a drawing book, I might purchase one because apparently that's useful. So I'm gonna find my gate and then go get food because that's what I was asked to do. So we're gonna go do that. And then, you know, we'll just figure it out from there. I'm pretty sure it's the same gate that I got on at when I was like when I left last year, so oh my god, you can see all the planes taking off. Alright, well, I'm gonna go find my gate and then I'll update you once I have food. Bye. It's a superior order, okay? It's really good. Here are the planes. It's currently, let's see what time it is. I don't know what time it is. 6:49. My plane leaves at 9:40, and there's a big group of teenagers across from me that are staring at me, and I'm terrified. It's also kind of hot, but I'm gonna eat my food and film TikToks because that's what I do. And I'll probably just see you guys at the gate, to be honest, because I don't like filming when there's like billions of people watching me and this fucking group of teenagers scaring me. So, love you all. My gate just opened, so I'm gonna go sit at my gate because there's no point in sitting anywhere else. Like, I've had my second coffee. So, like, do you know what makes me happy? I'm never gonna see any of these people ever again. So, I don't really care if they see me walking. I'm literally. Anyways, I'm going to gate 34. Oh my god, my gate is packed. I'll find myself a seat. My gate is so packed, I'm sitting on the floor. It's okay, we fly in like